We'll just start the quiz in a few moments. We are having 4 teams at the moment. There's a team from Lovely Professional University, Fagwara. There is a team from Government Home Science College, Sector 20, that's the B.Ed college. And we are having a team from Guru Nanak Dev Girls College, Jamnanagar. And we are having the last team from Home Science College, Chandigarh. We are still awaiting for the 4th team from Patiala. And if they don't turn up, then we will have 4 teams. Yes? And our medical superintendent will be the guest of honor. And we've invited the entire faculty also. But most of them are having the OT day today. They are all busy in the operation theatre. But I think we all students are more than enough. You all students and our staff members are more than enough to carry on the quiz. And people will keep coming. We'll just see if we can have a lecture on Ricella oil, the benefits of Ricella oil. Can we have the introduction of the teams, please? LPU, Lovely Professional University, so that you are familiar with the mic system. Yes, you can please stand up and introduce yourself.
I'm Reshma Bambe. I'm Neha Sivani.
I'm Sapriti Gupta from LPU.
Okay, the back side, Government Home Science B.Ed College.
Very good morning to everyone. I'm Rubano.
Good morning to all. I am Apurva.
Good morning to all. I'm Pooja and we are from GC, Government College of Education, Sector 20.
Let's have the introduction from those. GNG College.
Good morning to all of you. Myself, Priya Komal from JNG College. Good morning to all of you. Myself, Sakshi Agwarshi. Myself, Neha Chaudhary from GNG College.
The next team, the 4th team.
Good morning. I'm Chandni. Good morning. I'm Kritika Mathur.
Good morning. I'm Raman from Government Home Science College, Sector 2.
I request, so you can just shift front. And please just show me your teams. Team E. So Government Home Science College can be Team A. Please take Team A for yourself. And Team B is next to them. Yes? Team C. B.Ed College, which team you are? D. So you should be having C. Nikita or Raman? Another question answer session. Anybody knows the calorie content of the atta noodles? Familiar with the atta noodles? Yes. Dekhiye something you feel that's better than the other noodles. Yes? Any idea? One cold drink bottle is giving how many calories?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
120.
How much ml? Is it 250 ml? Yes. 500 will give more calories. Yes, so approximately it's 190 to 200 calories. Now depends on how much ml you are. And one egg has how many calories? I am talking about one egg.
175.
85 calories. And any idea? Skimmed milk powder. Have you all heard about skimmed milk powder?
Yes, ma'am.
And you know that it's a protein source. It's a high protein source.
Yes.
Anybody can give me the protein content of 100 grams of skimmed milk powder? because it's a very high source of protein, and we are using skim milk powder in our feeds which we are supplying to our patients. That's absolutely, I think she needs a clap. You have to clap for her. Because that's now 38 calories per 100 cal. And the next question would be, what about the double tone milk fat content? The double tone, the yellow packet that we have in the market. Anybody is familiar with the fat content of that packet?
1.5.
It's not 0.5. Yes, Komal is saying something. Absolutely right, 1.5%. So that's why people are going after that yellow packet milk, because that's low fat. And the protein content is, any of my interns would like to say? Protein content of 100 ml of milk, double tone. This is 3.2 or 3.5, absolutely right. And these are there in the nutritive value of Indian foods. If you have read your nutritive value well, you know the calorie content. Yes, calorie and proteins. These days sprouts are getting very common. Yes, there are sprouts available in the market also. So anybody making sprouts at home? Using sprouts? Any one of you? What kind of sprouts are you making at home? You can stand up and answer. Sprouts, moong dal sprouts, yeah, just like that. More sprouts are there. Kale chane, even peas are sprouted, even rajma is sprouted. And how does the nutritive value change? Vitamin C, free complex, yes. So they are good for health. And most of the diabetics and heart patients, they are having this. And anything related to heart patient these days, there are so many ads in the newspaper and so many ads on the television regarding a product which is very good for the heart patients, for lowering of cholesterol, and we will be giving gifts also. Yes? Besides the oil, any pre-mixed product which has to be cooked in hot water, instant cooking hoti hai uski, you know, some things starting with, yes, oats, yeah. You heard of oats? We know the benefits of oats. Yes? Okay. Now, who all played that game downstairs? Any of you played the game? Yes. The LPU students will tell what was there, the contents of the sambar. You know, we just took it from the master chef. That sambar was put in the container, and they had to guess the 5 flavoring agents. Not the dal or the, haldi, nothing. 5 flavoring agents. Did you guess it?
We guessed 3. Rice, zira, and curry patta.
Okay. Imli. So these were the ingredients, and gifts were kept for this. And any other stall did you see?
Yes, ma'am. That judge. Without seeing judge in the product.
Which one?
Ma'am, just guessing the product without seeing it.
Yeah, guessing the product. Ma'am, Sapna, did you see that stall? Did you guess it? You got the prize. That's very good. And what was it that you guessed? Method. Our director principal also guessed unhone soft bola instead of zira. You know, that was so familiar. And most of the people really did say soft instead of zira. And there was another stall of the fruits and vegetables. Did you all see the nutritive value of fruits and vegetables and the health benefits of fruits and vegetables? Did you see? Param, what was there? Yeah, and you could see lotus stem. What's lotus stem high in? We had specially written. I want to see how much observant you were there. It's high fiber, high calcium. That's very good. And there were 2 vegetables like cholai and spinach and coriander. And cholai is a very high iron content leafy vegetable. And that's what our public was really admiring, because they used to give cholai to their guy. That's what they said, ye to hum phaik dete, unko de dete. So that was a very good thing, that this is an educative program. Those who don't know it can come to know about the benefits, health benefits of vegetables. Any fruits you saw? The teams you must have seen. So which fruit kaun sa tha wahan pe?
Apple,
Guavas were there. Yes, Homescience College. Can you tell me, guavas, they are rich in the nutritive value of guavas? Vitamin C, fiber, iron too. Yes? Anything else? Any question from Sapnalata ma'am for the students? We are just waiting for our sir to come.
Because we have to leave.
We will have to wait for our sir another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. because a medical superintendent is a guest of honor and faculty is supposed to come, but anyway, another 5 minutes, not more than that. Anything you want to say?
Well organized program.
You can just talk
I got
about
prizes in almost all the games.
That's good. And I'll just call him up.
Best diet can be a balanced diet, and balanced diet can only be said to be complete if it is having basic 4 things: रोटी, सब्जी, दाल और सलाद। चारों चीजें होनी चाहिए, तभी वो बैलेंस डाइट होगी। और एडिबल ऑयल में हम क्या कहते हैं? कीटोन चीजें। क्यों कहते हैं? एक ऑयल में बेसिकली क्या 3 चीजें होती हैं ऑयल में, SFA, मूंगफली, टूबा। और एज पर NaN हमें वो तीनों एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट में चाहिए, और उसको अचीव करने के लिए हम यूजली क्या कहते हैं? कीटोन चीजें। बट प्रैक्टिकली इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू अचीव अ बैलेंस विद जस्ट कीटोन चीजें। मैम, आप क्या रिकमेंड करें कि ऑयल को कैसे खाना चाहिए, चेंज क्यों करना चाहिए और कैसे करना चाहिए?
Actually, oil को change करना इसलिए जरूरी है to have a right combination of fatty acids. So we are using a combination of mustard oil, rice flour in the form of refined oil, and desi ghee, of course. So judicious combination of all these 3 saturated mufa is recommended for right consumption of fatty acids.
Can you devise a thing which give you complete all the thing in one go?
All the
if we are changing, usually we say एक महीना देसी घी खा लो, एक महीना मस्टर्ड खा लो।
ऐसे possible नहीं होता ना कि
It is the thing.
It's not possible at all.
With this way, it is not possible to achieve a balance. So now the next step is either we have to take all the oils in a particular portion for a balanced oil.
Yeah.
But
For
now,
different recipes we use different kind of oils.
yeah, पर फिर भी वही बात होगी। अगर हम कहें एक महीना आप रोटी खाओ, एक महीना दाल खाओ, एक महीना सलाद खाओ, बैलेंस मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा। इसीलिए now the latest concept is for a balanced diet you have to use a balanced oil also.
Yeah.
And now practically we are having 2 balanced oil. Which those can be? One can be rice bran oil.
Another?
Other can be?
Olive oil?
No ma'am. No. 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 And groundnut ma'am. Groundnut. Basically there are 2 oils which are balanced in nature. Otherwise there are 3 groups of oil as per their basic composition: SFRH, MUFA-rich and PUFA-rich. SFRH are
Saturated
desi ghee, then vanaspati, then palm. These are basically SFRH. Then PUFA-rich. And basically PUFA-rich oils are
Soya oil.
let me count it out. Sapola, curdy, sunflower, soybean, corn and cottonseed. These are basically PUFA-rich. And then MUFA-rich, mustard, canola, groundnut, olive and rice bran. And initially it was said देसी घी सबसे अच्छा होता है और हमारे एंसेस्टर्स देसी घी खाते थे, और आज हमें क्यों कहते हैं देसी घी नहीं खाना चाहिए? क्योंकि जब देसी घी खाते हैं इट इंक्रीजेस योर गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बट इट इंक्रीजेस योर बैड आल्सो। और जब हमारे एंसेस्टर्स देसी घी खाते थे दे वर एबल टू न्यूट्रलाइज देयर बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल विद एक्सेसिव फिजिकल वर्क प्लस फाइबर रिच डाइट व्हिच वी फेल्स टू। इसीलिए आज कहते हैं देसी घी अगर आप नहीं खा रहे हैं और एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हैं देन इट्स बैड फॉर यू। देन कम्स द जब डॉक्टर्स ने कहा भाई आपका लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गया, आप एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पाते, उन्होंने कहा देसी घी खाना बंद करो। उसके बाद रिकमेंडेशन आई PUFA-rich ऑयल खाओ। आज से 20 साल पहले उन्होंने कहा सैफला, सनफ्लावर, सोयाबीन, कॉर्न, कॉटनसीड खाओ। और PUFA-rich में सबसे ऑयल जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा PUFA होती है वो कौन सा है? ऑयल जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा PUFA है? नो, इट्स कर्डी, 83%। इसीलिए सपोला वाज द कंपनी व्हिच इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कर्डी ऑयल इन इंडिया। और डॉक्टर्स ने इसलिए रिकमेंड किया क्योंकि तब ये रिकमेंडेशन थी कि आपके ऑयल में जितनी ज्यादा PUFA होगी उतनी कोलेस्ट्रॉल रिडक्शन ज्यादा होगी, और जितनी कोलेस्ट्रॉल रिडक्शन ज्यादा होगी उतनी आर्टरीज क्लीन रहेंगी, बॉडी ज्यादा बेटर फंक्शन करेगी। बट विद द फर्दर स्टडीज इट वाज नोन अगर PUFA भी एक लिमिट से ज्यादा हम खाएं it reduces your bad cholesterol, but along with your bad cholesterol, it also reduces your HDL. And another worst thing with PUFA was, जब भी किसी भी PUFA रिच ऑयल को गर्म किया जाता है, it easily disintegrates to produce free radical, and free radical cause many degenerations in the body. जब ये क्लियर हो गया है, यानी PUFA रिच ऑयल ज्यादा खाएंगे तो हमारी HDL भी कम होगी, प्लस फ्री रेडिकल की वजह से कई बीमारियां भी लगेंगी, तो डॉक्टर्स ने कहना शुरू किया PUFA रिच ऑयल नहीं खाना चाहिए.
Good morning to all of you. On behalf of the dietetics department, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our medical superintendent, Professor A.K. Janmeja, for this program. I also welcome our guests on this occasion. May I request Dietitian Nikita to welcome Sir with a bouquet. As we all know, we are here to celebrate the Nutrition Week. Every year, we commemorate this occasion with full enthusiasm. This time, besides organizing poster competition and nutrition exhibition, we are also holding a nutrition quiz as a part of it. We have amongst us 4 teams, and each team comprising of postgraduate students of home science colleges from different states.